What is up, everyone? This is Prosper from the ECC community, bringing you this exciting tutorial and showcase of the Sapphire wallet. Getting started, you'll need to know what type of Windows operating system you are using. To do this, if you're using Windows 10, type in the Cortana search, this PC. Right-click on the search result and select Properties. If you're a Windows 7 or 8 user, right-clicking on My Computer and selecting Properties will show a similar screen. From here, you'll simply look for your system type. If it's the 32-bit version of Windows, you will install the x86 version of Sapphire. If it's the 64-bit version of Windows, you will install the x64 version of Sapphire. Without further ado, let's get to the installation. Okay, we're now going to start by opening up the directory in which you downloaded the Sapphire installation to. As mentioned, install the appropriate version for your operating system. For this example, we'll be going with the x64 version. Double-click on the executable file. Windows should show a pop-up requiring permission to make changes to your device. Select Yes from that pop-up screen. Sapphire will now load and download some required files. This may take some time depending on your internet connection. Once that is completed, it will ask you to import an existing wallet if you have one. Go ahead and select import if you're an existing user, otherwise move on to the next step. Sapphire will then begin loading and ask you to encrypt your wallet if you did not opt to import one. Sapphire will encrypt that newly created wallet and give you a second option to import an existing private key. Once you accept or refuse that option, you will be in the Sapphire menu. And once in the Sapphire menu, you'll be presented with the overview screen. Here you can see on the left the navigation pane. This contains our wallet functions, file storage, messaging and contacts. We're going to start by looking at the wallet menu. You have the overview, send, addresses and transaction capabilities. In the send menu, you're able to view your added contacts to send ECC currency to. These contacts can be added via wallet address or by ANS alias. In the address menu, you can create ANS aliases at the cost of 50 ECC per month per alias. At the moment, ANS functionality is not publicly available, but stay tuned for more information. This menu will also show your existing wallet addresses and the amount contained within. The transaction menu will show any transactions sent or received to your wallet addresses. We also have file storage, which is coming soon, and secure messaging, which is also in the pipeline. However, you can play around with it as the launch version of Sapphire contains a fun preview window. Heading over to the contacts section of the menu, you'll be able to add your contacts via address or aliases. These then show up in your send menu once they are added. The top right of the screen shows the first of three icons. The notifications icon in the shape of a bell shows any unseen events. The ECC icon, which displays current and up-to-date information about the ECC project. This includes Medium articles and our standing on the current market. The third is a cogwheel, which brings us to the settings menu. Here you land in the general section of the settings menu where you can set up various application options. Beneath those options, you'll be able to see your application version and the daemon version. You can also generate a log file if you require support. In the wallet section, you can change your password, back up your wallet, as well as import and export private keys. The notification section allows you to customize what will show up in your bell icon. These can be system notifications, news or staking events that take place. The appearance section allows you to choose between the dark or sapphire themes. Last but not least, the language section allows a user to choose their language. Currently there is only English, but if you'd like to get your language into Sapphire, please click on the link in the language screen. Below the application settings, you can see our various social media icons. Clicking on them will take you to their associated pages. Now we'll go back to the wallet overview screen to demonstrate how to activate staking. Look for the staking slider button and click on it to enable staking. This will require the password you use to encrypt your wallet with. Once you confirm the password, it will enable staking, and it is as easy as that. Now you can see the slider is now orange. Staking is enabled. Now for the final piece of the walkthrough, looking down the bottom left of your screen, you can see the sync percentage and how many active connections you have. Go ahead and click on the sync percentage to view the network statistics. Here we'll show you in greater detail how much of the synchronization process you have completed, such as headers and blocks for the payment blockchain. There will be individual sidechains for file storage and messaging in the near future. This concludes our walkthrough. For more details, please visit ecc.network. This is Prosper. Have a good one.